Demystifying Rubric, making sense of it. Hey there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the word rubric. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it like a pro. So, what exactly is a rubric? At its core, a rubric is a set of guidelines or instructions. It often outlines expectations or criteria for evaluating performance, especially in an academic or educational setting. If you've ever been assigned a project or paper in school, there's a good chance you were given a rubric detailing how you'd be graded. Now, let's journey back in time. The word rubric comes from the Latin word rubrica, meaning red ochre or red chalk. Why? Because in ancient manuscripts, important instructions or headings were often written in red to stand out. Over time, the term evolved to mean any set of guidelines, not just those written in red. Let's see rubric in action. 1. The teacher handed out the project rubric so students knew what was expected of them. 2. The conference had a rubric for judging the best presentation, including criteria like clarity, relevance, and engagement. It's worth noting that a rubric isn't just any set of instructions. It's more specific, a tool used for evaluation or grading based on specific criteria. For example, a recipe for a cake isn't a rubric, but a checklist for judging a baking contest would be. There you have it. Rubric demystified. Remember, it's all about guidelines and evaluation criteria. So, the next time you come across this word or even use it yourself, you'll know exactly what it signifies. We hope this video has been illuminating. Happy learning, and see you in the next one.